Hello, I'm David Rosenthal, Vice President and General Manager of the Digital Business Group at Razor Technology. We're here today to talk about democratizing business intelligence. Data has grown nearly 50% from 2010 to 2020, and nearly 90% of the data that we see today has been created in the last 4 years. Over 80% of the data that we see today is unstructured. In order to realize the promises of digital transformation, we have to use this data for efficiency and profit growth. During the first 2 waves of business intelligence innovation, IT was the keeper of that data. In this 3rd wave that we're going to be talking about during our event on October 10th in Malvern, Pennsylvania at the Microsoft Technology Center, we're going to talk about how we are democratizing business intelligence and giving power to the users. Please join us for an informative hands-on presentation, demo, and question and answer session. And we'll show you how to achieve digital transformation using the power of your data.